Good morning, everybody, yet again, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to do your dishes and how to do dishes in your dishwasher. So, what I do is, what I like to do is pre-rinse these. We sure all the gunk is off, and you just put them in like that. Alright. Oh, hold on, this is down. There. That's fixed. And I can put some more in there. I need to grab one more item. One moment. Please and thank you. I actually got 3 of them here. Another jar and a scooper in this jar. So, okay. Gotta make sure all the bubbles out of there, because I was gonna screw up your dishwasher. Don't want that, do we? I don't think so. Okay. Now, since I had coffee, this is what I like to do. I like to pre-wash it like this. Because I like to make sure all my coffee cups are clean, because that's part of my OCD. You don't have to do this, it's optional. But I like to do this because of my OCD. I like to make sure all the coffee cups are clean. So I like to pre-wash it first. And just rinse out all the bubbles. I mean the soap. And I could just paint it like this. Alright. Because that's the scooper. Alright, so we'll put that. Whoops, that just fell. Don't do like I did, guys. Alright. We'll just do that. And then we'll load these up. Okay. Put this nail clipper in there. All right. I'm gonna make sure my drain is cleaned out, so I'm gonna put some of that in there. Alright. I'm gonna put you up to hot water, and this is also optional. Now, put in your detergent. Then we'll just fire up the hot water. Oh, is this gonna fit? Hoping it does. You know what? I'll just scooch that over here. Ooh. Okay, now just scooch this over here. Actually, this can go right here. Let me take this out for a second. And then just do that. And perfect. And just hang that guy on there. Yes, it's a bit packed, but that's okay. I'm gonna power it up. And then I usually use normal. And you push the button to start. And it's gonna run 2 hours and 10 minutes. Now I'm not gonna film much of it because this is a how-to video. So forgot to do this. Okay, now it should be all set. Alright. And that's how you do it, guys. There you go, and Bob's your uncle. That's gonna do it for this one. That's how you do your dishes and then clean the drain like I did. So those are 2 how-to videos. So if this helps you out, Please make sure to click like, subscribe, and ding the bell so you can be alerted once I post the videos. Have a great day. Peace out, everybody. Take care.